Right, we are back, and today we smashed. We got all the blocks laid down. Yeah, 38.6 square meters in a day. Probably an hour over a day because Alex started laying last night with, he said he did about an hour, got 17 rows in, which was spot on. Got all our cuts done, got a little bit of pointing done. Alex said he's going to sand tonight, but leave me a little bit to get on video tomorrow morning. We still need to whack it as well, go over the whole area. Obviously, where it was quite a small area, you should be able to see in the video, instead of using a string line this time, we just used a straight edge, which was the width off between the two blocks, so it kind of worked out perfect. Sometimes on a larger area, I definitely recommend using a string line every 4 or so lines just to make sure you're staying straight and nice and level. But as this one played out, it's all about your prep work. So you get your prep work done correctly and everything follows suit. This is probably one of the nicest ones I've laid in a long time, to be honest. So prep work was spot on. Everything followed suit. Really nice table more blocks again, which we laid a few weeks ago. Check out the video up here. But yeah, all the prep work. Cuts on the recess drain look good. But yeah, it's all in your prep work. Get your prep work spot on and everything else follows suit. Obviously, you can check out the video on how to screed up here. Nearly 1,000 subscribers. We're at like 948 now, so please like, comment, share and subscribe. It's much appreciated. Constructive criticism is much appreciated. We just want to know your thoughts. Comment it below. Follow our Instagram, Twitter, all our different socials. That's in the description below, so go follow some of them. It's Friday. How's your week been? We'll probably do a video of the whole lot, sort of time lapse over the weekend. It's been a bit of a vlog. Next week will be I won't be vlogging every day next week, so there'll be a couple of videos, little artificial grass I did recently. But what are you doing over the weekend? Like, comment, subscribe.